Hi, good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Jamalyn Enriquez, ma'am.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 32 years old, ma'am.
Okay, are you single or married?
I'm single, ma'am.
Okay, are you high school or college graduate?
I'm a high school graduate, ma'am.
Okay, do you experience work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
In Hong Kong and Qatar.
Okay, what are your duties there?
My duties are I wash the dishes, cleaning the house, ironing, and wash the car and taking care of the baby, ma'am.
Okay, do you love to take care of children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, about taking care of newborn babies?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, about taking care of elders?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, about taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you know how to cook any simple Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Like what?
I'm cooking tong soup, stir fry, and steamed fish, ma'am.
Okay, how about, do you know any Cantonese words?
Yes, ma'am.
Like what?
Chosan, Unggoy, Yatki, Samse. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am, I will, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.